single question for you both. I lead the medical devices group, a 170,000 member group. 60% of the members live in the United States. And unsurprisingly, they are very interested in your perspectives on the medical device tax. My question for you is, what can members of the medical device group do to help you in your efforts to repeal the medical device tax?
Well, I think just getting out and talking to their members of Congress, thanking the ones that are supportive, and a number of them still could come over and help us to do something about this tax, which has been unfair to businesses. It's taxing an industry that's innovative, that's manufacturing things, that's making stuff, and making the case, making it politely, and remembering that this has not been a partisan issue. We stand here, Democrat and Republican, and I think that at the beginning of this battle, people didn't understand in Congress how many medical device manufacturers they had. The fact that things like surgical gloves were included in the group. I think just making the case at home and also back in Washington makes a difference.
Yeah, and of course we both come from Minnesota, so we understand the strong ecosystem that MedTech has for jobs, I think on a bipartisan basis, and I think it would be very helpful if members of your organization would reach out to their, again, elected officials and share their story about why this is a great American success story, why the jobs are important, but then also share the story about what their individual companies do to help patients. I think members of Congress will always, they always get thrown a lot of numbers and statistics at them, but if they can share the story about how a device is helping a patient, they'll remember that story, and I think they'll become a little bit more assertive and active in trying to repeal the tax.